Stoughton trailers have a reputation for quality, durability, and holding their value over time. What makes this possible is Stoughton's superior design and the passionate, hardworking trailer builders who ensure each trailer is built tough. Because after all, tough is Stoughton's middle name. Stoughton trailers are American-made with American hands and American talent, and the company has heavily invested in technology to make their products to exacting standards. Today, we're going to take a look at the features and benefits that come standard in a Stoughton dry van trailer. Hi, I'm Andrea Belke from People Magazine TV and the show Survivor. I'm also a Wisconsin native. Today I'm here with Vice President of Sales and 30-year industry veteran, Dave Geeson. Hi, Dave.
Hi, Andrea, and welcome.
Thanks for having me. I'm excited to learn about this trailer. First, I gotta tell you that growing up in Wisconsin and traveling around the state, I've seen Stoughton trailers everywhere. So why are your trailers so popular?
Yes, we actually engineer these trailers to be lightweight and durable, which is very important to our customers.
Well, it sounds like one tough trailer, but I imagine that even the toughest trailers can be damaged during use. So what happens when a trailer like this needs to be repaired?
Yes, we understand it's very important for our fleets to keep these trailers on the road. So they're designed to be repairable.
All right, so what about safety? How does that factor into your designs?
Safety is a core value at Stoughton Trailers, so we have it ingrained in our designs. It's so important for our customers and the motoring public.
So then, what exactly about this design helps protect motorists?
Well, if we take a look over here, you see the rear underride guard. This patented rear impact guard design extends our industry-leading underride protection across the full width of the trailer. Stoughton Trailers was the first manufacturer to offer this feature as standard equipment on all of our dry van products, demonstrating our commitment to safety.
Is there a trade-off to having this feature then? Does it add extra weight to the trailer?
It actually does not. It just improves performance. And if you'll notice, it's all bolt-on, so our customers can replace these components as needed.
That's great that this feature comes standard on all of your trailers. So what else have you guys been doing to improve performance?
Well, we're gonna have to go inside and take a look at some of those features, including the roof. This roof is tensioned both ways, both side to side and front to rear. And that's important because it keeps the roof tight and doesn't get loose and crack.
What makes this roof better than other trailers?
That roof bow is also easily replaceable by one person. So if a bow gets damaged by a forklift, one person can come in here and change that bow by just replacing the bolts and putting a new bow in.
That's some clever engineering. I also noticed that this floor is very sturdy. Is this a standard floor?
This is our standard floor. It is solid oak flooring with 3 screws per board staggered.
So how does screw hole pattern and wood type improve durability?
The floor takes a lot of abuse in the loading and unloading process. So by doing this, we're able to get to the highest floor rating in the industry at 22,000 pounds.
That's a very impressive rating, and I understand that this floor is such a huge part of that.
You're right. But it's not just the floor rating that matters, so let's take a look at the understructure of the trailer.
All right. Yeah, this looks like the skeleton of the trailer, which must be a very crucial part.
It is. We have a proprietary crossmember that has a thicker bottom flange and a wider slide rail, which allows us to get a better connection.
Why is a better connection important for durability?
We are able to get 40% more weld than any of our competitors. We don't have to put in any extra gussets for strength, and we don't have the cracking that happens over time. Our customers really like that.
So if the floors and subframe can manage all this weight, then the connection point of the trailer has to handle all that stress as well, right?
That is correct, and that's called the coupler. Our coupler is AAR rated, which means it meets the highest strength and durability standards in the industry. We'll take a look at it and show you some of those features.
I'm guessing since there's nowhere else to go that this is the coupler.
This is the coupler. So let's talk about some of the features of this front coupler. We have steel that wraps around the bottom that protects from impacts when a tractor would back underneath it. And we have corner protection that is steel that protects the trailer from other impacts there. If you look above, we have replaceable corners. So when branches would hit that and damage that, the customer can replace that trailer and make it look as good as new.
So repairability, durability, safety, and performance, seems like you guys covered it all.
We did, but there are different models for different applications for our customers.
Okay, so you have different models depending on what your clients want.
That's correct. For example, this is the popular Z-plate model. In this model, it's a plate wall trailer, so it has the most durable wall and has the maximum inside width of 101 inches. In our Z-plate trailer, we have a little higher bottom rail, so we don't have to do an additional scuff in our Z-plate trailer.
All right, so we got the Z-plate trailer. What other models do you have?
We also have a tough plate trailer, which brings it up to an even higher bottom rail of 15 inches of protection without a scuff needed.
So why would someone prefer a tough plate trailer over a Z-plate?
Some customers want that higher durability, that higher protection from scuffing on the sidewall of the trailer.
All right, so what other models do you have for me?
We also have sheet and post versions, and a sheet and post trailer has aluminum outside skin, a steel post in the wall, and an interior liner of glass reinforced plastic.
And why would someone prefer that model over the others?
That model has 24-inch spacing for its log post and has a stiffer wall. An extra wide version of that is also available that provides an extra 1.5 inches of interior width.
So 1.5 inches doesn't seem like a huge difference. I'm assuming there is a reason behind that. So what is that?
There is. Customers can then pinwheel the large pallets in that trailer just like they can a plate trailer because of the inside width.
Well, I think that about covers it. So that was so informative, and I feel like I'll never look at a trailer the same way again. Thank you, Dave, for showing me around.
Well, you're welcome. And if you have any other questions, please go to our website, stoughtontrailers.com.